Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to add the bank account in PhonePe application, and it shows unable to add bank account, unable to fetch bank account details. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this error happening? So my point of view, this is happening for three possible reasons. And the first one of the reason is maybe your bank server is down, and the second one of the reason is your service provider, like your bank account linked to mobile number, is not verified or not have a proper mobile signal, and the third one of the main reason is maybe you choose the wrong bank account or you can select the wrong phone number for the verification process. So anyway, how to overcome this issue? So if you get this error, first of all clear this PhonePe app data. And also give all the access permission for this PhonePe application. So once you done these processes, and also check your mobile SIM card settings. If you enable this 4G volt option or not, and also check if you have a balance or not. So once you complete these steps and one time restart your device. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to open that PhonePe application. And then complete this verification process. So once I complete this step, and also I try to add the bank account. So finally my UPI ID is successfully activated, and also my bank account is successfully linked with this PhonePe application, and this trick works for me. So at same time, if this trick maybe not works for you, just leave a one comment, because I give some more ideas to fix this issue. So otherwise, if it is works, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.